So in this SEO course, we will learn that in this Google Search Console, what is the role of links, what can we see in this section, what are the benefits. So friends, you can see there are internal, external and backlinks, all these that are connected with our website. We can see all of them and we can also analyze them. And this is a very important thing. And if you want to use the Google Search Console tool in a proper way in order to improve your website, so friends, make sure to watch this video till the end because it is going to be very useful. Along with that, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss such important videos and courses. One more important thing, Marketing Fundas has brought Maha Bundle course for you all. So friends, inside this course, you can learn more than 50 technical skills. And with help of Marketing Fundas, you can also start your learning and earning. Friends, don't delay. Link is in the description. Click and join it. And also please make sure to watch the complete video. Thank you so much. You can call on given numbers for digital marketing services, training and consultancy, or you can visit our website.
So hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about links reports of Google Search Console. Here in the bottom, over here, there is an option for links. So in this video, we will discuss about the links. First thing that comes in links is an external links. That is how many total external links have arrived, how many pages it is on. Like you can see, top linked pages are there in which we have total of 2,629 external links. So friends, if we look here, then the most of the external links that we got is from here, right? So how many total external links do we have? 443. And it is connecting from both sides. One is bit.ly and other is from marketingfundas.com. Which one? On the blog. In the same way, we have a URL. SEO blogs / SEO guide. In this external links, what is the total number of external links? 354. But how many total external are we getting in this? And there are a total of 8 sites. Blogspot.com, wordpress.com, globalplanet.in, marketingfundas.org, bit.ly, div.to, Reddit. But most of the external links we are getting is from the marketingfundas.com. Why there are so many external links? What is the basic concept here? The concept here is that, let's say you have created many pages on your website and on each page, you are putting a link of this particular blog. So as much blogs as you have written, you will do the linking of that much blogs. So if it is coming from that blog to your blogs, then it is being accounted somewhere for the external linking. So actually what is here? It is directory property. So what is it showing? It is showing what? One external linking form, right? Now the next option is our internal links. Overall, in which space we had the most interlinking? The most interlinking that has happened here was of our blog. So how much is the total internal linking? Total internal linking is 239 in these blogs. Internal linking has occurred within these URLs of our page, right? Okay. So if you go to this category section here and there, then you will get to see interlinking of this particular blog in each of them. The next thing is our top linking sites, meaning on which sites we have created a backlinks, which are the top linking sites. Those lists will be shown here, right? In the top linking sites, first one is marketingfundas.com, blogspot.com, bit.ly, vwforum.com, wordpress.com, jobiba.com. Okay, which site is here? And marketingfundas.org, let's find out, and many more sites where you have created backlinks. So guys, all the websites will be shown here. If we check further, there are many websites where you could exactly see that from where you are receiving backlinks. These are all top linking sites from where you are receiving backlinks, which are quite few. You will have to create more. So that's all. Next in our report is the top linked text, like which texts have the most links. The text used for top linking, that is anchor text. So that means while creating backlinks, on which link we are using more text. So text we are using includes Marketing Fundas blog, what is SEO, what is YouTube marketing, and other keywords. Similarly, you can also see what is off page within this, such as Bluehost review. You will find many such keywords. There are 126 plus. So you can see here which are the top keywords to which we added links. Therefore, most of the links are in SEO and Marketing Fundas blogs, right? So you can find all these reports in the link options, right? So that's all in this video. We will continue to bring more such interesting topics in upcoming videos. Till then, thank you so much.
I hope you enjoyed this video very much. If you liked the video, please let me know in the comment section. If you want to take digital marketing services or digital marketing training, you can visit our website marketingfundas.com or call us on the given numbers. So friends, Marketing Fundas has launched a partner program for you all, and with this program you can start your instant earning. And this program is very easy. The link is in the description. Click and join it. And friends, thank you so much for watching Marketing Fundas.